Do you need your own phone number but forgot it? No need to dial the operator. You can directly see your own phone number on your Android phone. Here is the tutorial. There are at least 2 ways you can use, especially if you are using a Samsung phone. The first way, go to Settings, scroll down, then open About Phone menu. And voila! You can immediately find out your own mobile number, both on SIM 1 and SIM 2. The second way, still in Android settings. Open the connection menu, then select the SIM Manager option. And without many steps, now all your mobile numbers are successfully visible. For those who don't know, in this menu you can also set which SIM card you want to use for calls, messages, and also mobile data. That's all for this video. Hopefully it's useful. And thank you for watching.